boys and girls, it's so nice to see you again. I hope you guys all had fun yesterday going on a shape hunt around your house. I bet you were all very surprised to find that everywhere you looked, I bet that you could find one shape or another. Well, now what we're gonna do today is we're gonna look more closely at three shapes. We're gonna look closely at the circle, a little bit closer at the square, and at the triangle. But first, I've got a little song for you. Cindy Circle is my name. Round and round I play my game. Start at the top and go around the bend. Up we go, there is no end. Trisha Triangle is the name for me. Tap my sides. 1, 2, 3. Flip me and slide me and you will see a kind of triangle I'll always be. Sammy Square is my name. My 4 sides and angles are just the same. Slide me or flip me, I don't care. No matter which way, I'm always a square. Well, I hope you liked that little poem. I guess I said it was a song. It really wasn't a song. It was more of like a poem about the circle and the square and the triangle. Well, let's look a little bit deeper into these shapes and let's start with the circle. All right, boys and girls, here we have a picture of a circle, and there is the word circle written right next to it. Now let's take a close look at our circle shape and let's see what we can tell about our circle. Let's see, if we were going to describe our circle, I guess I might say that it is round. It is a round shape. So I'm going to write the word round. Now take a look at our circle. How many corners does our circle have? You're right, it has 0 corners. And take a look at our circle. How many sides does our circle have? That's right, it has 0 sides. So we have a circle, it is round, it has 0 corners and 0 sides. All right, let's move on to the next shape. Okay, boys and girls, moving on to our next shape, which is the square. There we have our picture of a square. We have the word square written beside it. Now let's take a close look at the square and let's see how would we describe it. Let's start by counting how many corners the square has. So let's start right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we would say a square has 4 corners. Now, how many sides does our square have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we would say our square has 4 sides. Now, one thing that makes a square is that its angles, which is this part in the corners here, are all the same angle. And the sides are the same length. So it means each side is as long as the next and each angle is the same angle. And that's what makes a square a square. 4 corners, 4 sides, but not just 4 sides. It has 4 sides that are the same. So 4 sides, the same sides. And that, my friends, is what makes a square a square. Let's move on to our final shape. And now we move on to our final shape, which is the triangle. Here we have the picture of our triangle, and here we have the word triangle written beside it. Now let's see, how could we describe a triangle? Let's start by counting how many corners the triangle has. It has 1, 2, 3. So a triangle has 3 corners. Now let's see, how many sides does a triangle have? We'll count them together. 1, 2, 3. So a triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Now this triangle has, its sides are all equal to each other, so it has the same size of each side is the same size, but not all triangles have the same length on each side. So a square needs to have all 4 sides the same, but a triangle does not. So a triangle will have 3 corners and 3 sides. All right, well now, boys and girls, that we had a chance to go over some of the attributes of the shapes circle, square, and triangle, what I challenge you to do today is get 3 blank pieces of paper, or you can print off some of the copies that should be up on our D2L page of a square, a circle, and a triangle. And my challenge for you is to go throughout your house. Now yesterday you went for a shape hunt. You could find any shape you want. Today I'm challenging you just to find circles, squares, and triangles. And what I'd like you to do, if you can, maybe you could draw a picture of the item that has the shape that you found. And for bonus points, if you want to label it with the word circle, square, or triangle, then that would be wonderful practice for you as well. All right, boys and girls, good luck, and I can't wait to see pictures of all of the shapes that you found in your house. All right, bye.